So, and then something else I wanted to tell you all about this welded pipe fencing with these connectors that we manufacture, patented, designed, the whole 9 yards. We've got about, oh geez, thousands of them out in the field. The fencing's real easy to do, you know, and I hate to say it, but the panel manufacturers, you know, once people find out that they can build a better fence that's done for 100 years, they never have to put anything in once it's done, then what's going to happen are people are going to come out and they're going to build their own pipe fencing, and then they're going to put their panels up on Craigslist and Marketplace and sell them and pay for the pipe. It's that cheap to do. And so, but when you do, you throw the fittings on here. Everybody knows that's ever welded oil filled pipe that it's got a magnetic field in it, and it'll blow the damn weld out. It takes 2 rods to get 1 rod in there, and then you finally get it in there, and you got to clean it up. Well, not this. When you put them fittings on there, it flips that magnetic field and it sucks that weld in. And that's the coolest thing about this is look at these. Come down here and show them this. Look how pretty them welds are. And that's just rusty old pipe. I ain't cleaning nothing. I'm just burning rod, and it's sucking that stuff in there just like it was like I was overhead welding in a perfect little welding scenario. So anyway, this is the best pipe fence that you can possibly build. And then you clean this up, throw a little no climb on there, you got the best fence made, period. And so we'll sell you the parts to do it. You can do it, because I can't build every fence in the United States. Thank you.